Ready to start using proxies on your Android, but got stuck configuring the server settings? Don't worry, I'll show you how. I'm Arnas, and in this video we'll cover how to set up a proxy for Android, for both mobile data and Wi-Fi connections. Starting with a mobile network. First, let's open device settings. Go to Network and Internet, then tap Internet. Next, select your mobile network provider. Scroll down and tap on Access Point Names, also known as APNs. Choose the APN you're currently using. Please note that when using a proxy on a mobile network, only HTTP connections are supported. Now, locate the fields labeled Proxy, Port, Username, and Password. This is where you'll enter your proxy details. The exact values will depend on your proxy type. For residential and mobile proxies, enter pr.oxylabs.io as the proxy with port 7777. If you need a specific location, you can switch to a country endpoint. For example, us-pr.oxylabs.io with port 10,000 will route traffic through the US. For a full list of locations or sticky session options, refer to the documentation, linked in the description. With Datacenter Proxies, enter dc.oxylabs.io and port 8000. The port can be used to control IPs used for each request. If you're using a paper IP subscription, the port corresponds to a specific IP in your proxy list. For example, port 8001 will use the first IP. With a paper traffic subscription, the port will assign an IP dynamically and keep it for the duration of the session. You can also define location in the username string, such as user-username-country-US to connect through a specific country. If you're using Enterprise Dedicated Datacenter Proxies purchased via sales, enter your assigned IP address and port 60,000. Just make sure to select the correct IP from your list. For self-service dedicated data center proxies, use ddc.oxylabs.io with port 8001. Here, the port maps to a specific IP from your proxy list. For ISP proxies, use isp.oxylabs.io and port 8001. And lastly, for dedicated ISP proxies, enter disp.oxylabs.io with port 8001. Enter your username and password, the same credentials you used in the Oxylabs dashboard. Once everything is filled in, tap Save in the top right corner. To apply the changes, turn your mobile connection off and back on again. Finally, open your browser. If prompted, enter your credentials. And you're all set. Your mobile network is now running through a proxy. Now, let's look at how to set up an Android proxy on a Wi-Fi connection. Again, start in Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then tap Internet. Select your current Wi-Fi network and tap the gear icon to open its details. Tap the Edit icon in the top right corner, then expand Advanced Options. Under Proxy, select Menu. Enter your proxy host, port, username, and password, just like in the mobile setup. The same proxy details apply here, regardless of whether you're using residential or data center proxies. If needed, you can also use the Bypass Proxy field to exclude specific websites. Simply separate multiple entries with commas. Once done, save your changes. Open your browser and authenticate using your Oxylabs credentials. And that's it! Your Wi-Fi connection is now routed through a proxy. Before you go, keep in mind that proxies set up using these methods may not affect other apps on your device besides the browser you're using. Some apps may have their own proxy settings or may not support proxies at all. For more on Android proxy integrations, check some useful resources we've linked below. If any questions come up as you dig deeper, feel free to reach out to our team at support@oxylabs.io. And lastly, subscribe for more content like this and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.